In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom video start time in the player if you want your video to begin from a specific moment instead of starting right at the beginning. This is a quick adjustment you can make in the player settings. This can be especially useful if you want viewers to skip an intro, jump straight to the most important part, or begin at a section that is more relevant for your audience. To get started, open the video you want to update. Make sure you're viewing the correct video before changing any settings, since the start time will apply to the specific video you have selected. Once the video is open, go to the Customize section. This is where you can adjust the way the video behaves in the player, including how it appears and how it starts for viewers. If you don't see the option right away, just look for the player settings area within the customization menu. Inside the player settings, find the field for the start time. Here you'll enter the exact point where you want playback to begin. For example, you could enter 0:15 if you want the video to start at 15 seconds. Be sure to use the correct time format so the player understands exactly where to begin. It's a good idea to double check the timestamp before saving, especially if you're trying to start at a precise moment in the video. After entering the start time, save your changes. This step is important because the new setting won't take effect until it's saved. Once saved, your video will automatically begin playback from the time you entered instead of starting at the very beginning. If you want to confirm that everything worked correctly, go ahead and preview the video after saving. That way you can make sure it starts exactly where you intended. If it's a little early or a little late, you can simply return to the same setting, adjust the timestamp, and save again. That's all it takes. Open the video, go to Customize, access the player settings, enter the start time you want, and save the change. With this simple update, you can create a smoother viewing experience and guide your audience directly to the part of the video that matters most.